You must watch this video, otherwise you might get really mad with me. I don't watch my channel anymore because I realised with making this the sesame snap, we don't leave it. Well, you could, but the easiest way is to. I just need to make this again a bit. So I put this on it. The easiest way is to put it in the microwave. So that's what I'm doing. Alright, so yeah. Just a second. It's in the microwave right now. Here they come. Oh, plate is burning. Let's take it out, please. Whoa, it is burning hot. Oh, that's like burning. That I can feel it through here. That is hot. That is like so hot. One of the hottest things I've ever. That is like, oh, oh my, that is hot. That has really burnt it. This worked? Oh! That's really hot. And that stuff, weird stuff that's on my hand. That is burning. That is like one of the hottest things I've ever. I'll be able to feel it on here if I keep it on here. Oh! That is hot. Oh my, that is baking. I've got a good idea. When the fly flies onto it, if a fly goes onto here, it'll go, and it dies. Probably. Oh my. Ta! Right, fine. Right. While this one is still going, I'm going to see if I can make another one, but I'm going to put the other one in the fridge. So let's just move that away. Alright. Oh, it's so hot. Oh! Right, so I'm going to make another one. I'm going to put this one on a tray because I can't find it. It's no use just... Right, so we're just going to go and get some more seeds. We're going to do the same process again. Or processor, whatever you call it. I'm going to do it on the tray because I don't want to have to like move it again because it just broke, so I had to build it again. Right, so it's going to be a bit longer, this one. It's going to look a bit better as well. And it's going to be a bit better. Alright, time to put it on. Put this on there, and I'm going to put this one in the fridge. This one. Oh, that's a bit too much. Right, done that now. Alright, let's just put a bit on there because it needs to get covered, I think. The whole thing needs to get covered. Now I'm going to put this one in the fridge. Leave it in there for about 2 or 1.5 hours. That really tastes weird. And I'm going to make another one more. Actually, yeah, I'm going to make another one more, but this time I'm going to use peanut butter to do it. Right, so let's get another tray, or a plate or something. Right, oh yeah, I'm going to do it in a bowl because I can't find much other thing. Oh no, that's not flat, is it? I might just have to do it on another tray. I'll use this. This is a bowl, but it still has a flat part at the bottom. I might need to get a bit more. Just some more, not all, not like too much. So, yeah, but alright. I'll quickly go and get some magical wave and yeah, done. Now, right, I'm gonna use the peanut butter. I think I've got a bit too much. Or we're gonna make a proper one though. So it's gonna be like that long. Hopefully that's what one of them or both of them or all of them will look like once they're done. At least. I don't know how we're going to put the peanut butter onto it. It's going to be like so hard. Oh look, this is the stickier one. The other one isn't as sticky. I hardly got any peanut butter left. I don't know how I'm going to do this. That's tiny. I think I'm just going to like use that just to make a tiny one. Alright, I know how I can do it. Let's try to get... I know. I'm going to put them into there instead. I don't know how this is going to work. But I think they're mostly going to work in there. So, you're going to get your hands dirty. Dirty in the process. Oh yeah, they're working now. It's working. Oh my. That is absolutely mad. Yeah, it's working, but it is mad. They're like going everywhere. I need to put some more in. Look, you can't even hear them. Hardly, because they've all stuck. You're going to get your hands a bit messy. Or you might even get them messier than mine. Okay, this one might be a bit small, but it's still worth it. Actually, I think this might work. Yeah, I just need to get some out of the other one. I think there'll be more coming out of the other one than this one. I'm not sure. This shake. This is going to be a bit more stickier than the other one. It's going to look horrible. You can actually hardly see it on the camera. Oh my. You're definitely going to have to wash your hands. I might actually recommend if you buy the crunchy one. Because, although, right, which one is this one? This is the crunchy one as well, but I'd recommend if you get the normal one that has peanuts in it, this not wild butter one. Because I'd rather recommend you to actually buy this one, just like in personal use. But I mean, if you want to do that, you probably better buy the crunchy peanut butter one. Just the one that isn't wild butter by Sainsbury's. Safe for school, that's why. And they give you school stickers saying made with peanut-free nut butter. Shouldn't it be nut-free? Nut-free. Oh, peanut-free and nut-free. Oh, I get it now. Right. It's not going to be the biggest one ever. It's still going to be a bit big. I'm going to have to wash my hands at the end, I think. Because... Right. Oh yeah, look, it's working. It's working. This is going to be like the tastiest one, and it'll work the most, I think. The best. I think this is the one that's going to work the best. And it's going to be the tastiest one. But it's not going to look the best. Exactly. No. Oh my, oh, it feels so nice actually. Buy the new cream by Sainsbury's and by Sainsbury's and Canada. It just says Canada on it. So of course it isn't, there isn't like a shop called Canada. Well, there could be, but alright, it's gonna be a small one. I've made it. I think we're just gonna leave. I'm gonna put it in the microwave first, and then I'm gonna put it in like the fridge, because if it doesn't work on the microwave, yeah. Actually, I'm gonna put it in the fridge first. If it doesn't work, I'm gonna put it in the microwave after. Okay, I've put it in the other one is just like gone flat. I think it's because the fridge makes it go running. Okay, I don't think it works in the fridge. Oh, it's going hard, but it's going like all flat. It's going all flat, alright. Peanut butter. Get it? Pea seed butter. I like it. I don't like the seeds on my own. Yeah, pretty good. Oh, sorry that sorry, I forgot to wake up Peewee over there. I'll wake up him in a second, just after I've wiped my hands. So the hot one, let's see if it's still hot. It's still warm! I don't know how hot exactly it is, because... Oh yeah, it's going hard. It's gone hard! It's gone hard! Yay! I think that's going to work as well, and the other one, but that is actually working. I feel it, I felt it. So yeah, you do need to wake about an hour. Well, not that actually, that long. I'll see how long, because I'll have a look at how long the video is. Let's see, peanut, I'm starting to call Peewee Peanut. Peewee! Yeah. Ooh, peanut butter. No, not for you. Right, I've made 3 versions of it, Peewee. Robin! Alright, I'm just gonna hug me to do this, because I have to hold you, don't I? Did they hold you by my side? No! Just from doing that smiling, that made me cough. Now. No, Peewee, just stay there for a second. Can't do it while I'm holding you. Oh. Silly me. I'm trying to put on the wrong lid.